Okay, we have come across a development here right outside Watkinsville city limits that I didn't know was here. The Village at Stone Ridge. New homes from the low 500s. JR Realty. Sales and marketing by KW Homes. They've been around a while. Four sides brick. What all did it have there? Large enclosed patios. What all we got here? What all these amenities? Large covered patios, master on main, gourmet kitchen. That's a catchphrase, isn't it? Four sides brick. All the mailboxes are up front. We have no more individual mailboxes anymore in front of the house. Post office is in such bad shape. They can't get it together for anything. Nice place. We'll have it. These streets have been cut for a while. This isn't new asphalt here. So evidently it's just now gotten the right timing. You know, real estate phrase is location, location, location. Well, just as important as that is timing, timing, timing. It may be more important actually. The location will come to you. Timing may not. Well, the subdivision is not completely mass graded. It'll be interesting to see how many basement or crawl space lots there are versus slab lots. Seems like Watkinsville had a ban on slab lots, but I think it may have been erased or done away with. But I don't know. I don't want to give out any bad information. I give out enough bad information. We'll come back when they get to start building and get some home plan videos. Got street lights. Of course, there'll be sidewalks, underground utilities. This sewer. That maybe was held it up so long they may not have been able to get taps. Say it's sewer. Not a manhole in the street there. This may not be sewer. Let's see here, any sewer lines, sewer taps. You got drainage. I don't think this is sewer. To be bigger lots for septic. Okay, well, let's wrap this one up. I guess we can take it up here to Hog Mountain. office building there. Butler Crossing is to the left. 441, 129, and 15 are to our right here.